Can't start your game because of the DirectX 9 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and let's solve this library conflict so you can get back to what matters. This DLL file is a DirectX 9 utility library that assists games in managing complex graphical assets. It handles tasks like sprite rendering and texture filtering, ensuring that visual effects in older games are displayed correctly. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. For errors involving the DirectX 9, Update 35, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the DirectX 9. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The version of the DirectX 9, Update 35 DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing the DirectX 9. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your DirectX End-User Runtime workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.